If you're watching this, this is the extended uncut. I can't talk. If you're watching this, this is the extended uncut version, so thank you. Hey, welcome back. My name is Alex. I'm a freelance videographer and filmmaker, and today we are taking a look at J-Hope's Airplane. If you want to see my extended uncut reaction, check the Patreon link in the description below. As always, I read the lyrics, but I did not listen to the song quite yet. I am pretty excited. You guys have been wanting me to check out this song for quite a long time. Those visuals look so beautiful. Oh! So the question is this a set or is it an actual location? That's the big question. If it were a set, this would be so much faster to do versus if it was like a physical location, because they would literally have to rent out this location all day and just have a camera there doing a time lapse so that we get that transition with the lights turning on everywhere. And then they just replaced the sky, I'm pretty sure. It's got J-Hope there, nice little bokeh in the background. It's all nice and dark. Ooh. Yes! So this is very reminiscent of that beginning shot, I think. Let me see. Yes, yes it is. That looks so beautiful. I think it's a parking garage. The ground is so reflective, so they probably did a wet down, but I'm so glad that that ground is reflective because we get to see this beautiful sunset. J-Hope is just there in its nice silhouette. These pillars everywhere, like they help us with these leading lines, but then they also help frame everything out, especially since like the top and the bottom is all dark. This part is beautiful. I've seen this in one of the BU videos. Someone was on top of a train. So I think that this is probably a projector. It might be an LED screen. I think it's a projector though. Again, J-Hope is like silhouetted. You can't see his face. There's a little bit of light on his back though. Very dramatic. Very, very dramatic. Very beautiful. Ooh. That's a good looking shot. Ah, it's a good looking shot too. Ooh, I love that so much. I've tried doing that quite a few times, filming my own music videos when I used to do that. I love it, just orbiting around. They probably did it like the proper way. So you can get like a circular dolly track and you can have like a motorized dolly and the camera will literally just like revolve around you. That's like the big professional way to do this. Me, I was on a longboard holding my camera, trying not to fall on some rocks. I think I did okay. I absolutely love those shots though. Like I absolutely love those shots though, especially if you can get like your talent to stay perfectly in the center and like you can revolve perfectly in the center. The background just moves so fast. Like I want to watch it again. Ah, it's so beautiful. They're like zooming out a little bit too. Got so much movement. It's like so music video-y. I love it. Yes. I like that he's in the shadows too. That's a very nice shot. That's looking at like the side view mirror of the car. I like that shot a lot, especially because of especially with how out of focus everything else is. That looks so good. Oh, the colors on the car, the blue with the green. Yes. Oh, beautiful. The clouds. Oh, they bring back that like rotation. Yes. Oh. So beautiful. Of course there's the plane. I was waiting for the plane. I kind of knew that was gonna happen. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? This video seems to be fairly low budget, at least for a BTS music video. I guess it's not a BTS music video, but it kind of is. But I like that because this feels a lot more personal to J-Hope. If it was like a really big, expensive music video, I feel like it can get lost. Like this is just a lot more authentic to J-Hope, I feel like. These black and white scenes look really good. This whole video looks so much better than I was expecting it to look. It's like people are taking photos of him. Got that backlight, the sun setting there. Wow. It's like a whole bunch of beauty shots. I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh. Wow. Did they actually have a clip of clouds at the beginning? They did. They did have a clip of clouds. So he's like in front of a blue screen, I think. And then they just have like a whole bunch of atmosphere. Or maybe they added that in post so that they can control it a whole lot better. But it looks like he's in the clouds. It looks really good. Like really, really good. They even have that red light on him. Oh. Yes. Ooh, a little bit of camera movement going on there. Oh, okay. He's in a mirror. Yes. So like happy, upbeat. I love it. I like those shots. Wow. The mirror on the ground looks so good. You can see like his foot there. You can't see the camera. You cannot see the camera, which is very interesting. Is it called a split lens? Oh, it's a tilt shift lens. It's a tilt shift lens. How are they doing this? It's a mirror. Why can't I see the camera? They are probably using a tilt shift lens. Those are very interesting because while the camera can stay in place, the lens can literally like slide and like move up and down and stuff. So like the camera can be here with the mirror here and the lens can literally like slide over. Real cool stuff. This might be how they're doing it. I don't know. It looks amazing. I love the blue, little headlights popping up. That's probably actually his car. So that answers my question. It's not a green screen. It is in fact a giant LED wall. Looks really good. Very beneficial because then you get all of the light emitting from the LED wall and hitting your talent. And then they actually added some light in the background too. That looks amazing. What in the world? Wow. That looks so cool. Speeding through the streets. Oh, and then we go back to the beginning shots. Wow. I like this video a lot. It's like they extended that screen or something. Wow. This is such a beautiful music video. Whoa. It's got really good imagery, like very, very good images going on here. Such a simple video, but so beautiful. Oh my God. Sorry, emoji. I'm sorry. For everybody All right, for you guys watching the extended uncut version, let's take another look at this video. This is just so stunning. Like I literally was not expecting this video to be so beautiful, but it is, and I'm so glad. I need to stop going into these videos with any kind of judgment because I literally have no idea what I'm stepping into. I understand why you guys wanted me to take a look at this video now. So gorgeous. Is that actually his car? Oh, all the reflections of the sunset. I absolutely love that shot so much. So much movement. So beautiful. Yes. Ooh. Just sitting there. I feel like that was kind of like a match cut looking. What does the necklace represent? It has to represent something. So they're not doing those outdoor ones with the dolly, because I don't see any tracks. Maybe they're doing it with the skateboard too. I love the airplane. They probably added that in after the fact, I would think, to get the timing correct. These black and white shots just like add a little bit of variety there. The sun's setting. Oh, oh. J-Hope looks so beautiful. I love those nighttime shots. I love the whole visuals in this video. Yes, yes, please. So good looking. All of it. You guys ever heard of cloud rap? Sorry, I got kind of lost in this video. Let's talk about clouds. It kind of has that cloud rappy sound. Oh, it's like a monorail. That building has nice leading lines. Wow. I literally I got lost in the video. It looks so good. Whoa. Yes. The song is good too. Everything about this is good. Wow. I like it. I like that it has this arrow right here. If you want to see my extended uncut version, check the Patreon link in the description below. I want to give a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters, specifically Charity, Jemmy, Kimberly, Lisa, Lucas, Melissa, Miss Heiju, and Victoria. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that. We're doing run days on Sundays, so go ahead and subscribe. And all right.